The mobile app branding. From your dashboard, go to Site, and on the left hand side scroll down to Mobile App and then Branding. Inside here you have the ability to add your own logo to the mobile app interface. You can also change the app color theme. Let's change this to an orange color. Like so. Please note you can also enter your own custom hex number in here. If you look on the right hand side, you can now see that the interface colors have all changed to an orange and now a green. Let's now upload our logo into the app. Please note your logo should be a minimum size of 150 by 150 and it should be square. Let's click upload and go and select our file. Here we have our Zenler logo with a size of 512 by 512. I'm going to click open. Now on the right hand side the logo will appear. However, it has not appeared because the logo dimension is not the correct size. Remember, it's 512 by 512. If we look here, the logo image has invalid image dimensions. We need to make sure that our logo is exactly 150 by 150. You could use some editing software to make sure that your logo is the correct size, or get your designer to output at 150 by 150. Let's now upload the logo at the correct size. Click upload, select the file, in this case the 150 by 150 logo and not the 512 by 512, and click open. Now you will see that on our app our logo has appeared. The last thing you need to do is simply save your changes. Now if you check the mobile app, these changes will be reflected within it.